Funjo Jangmu Lama, a helicopter long line sailing rescuer, has etched her name in the mountaineering history. She has reclaimed the title for the fastest ascent of Everest by an woman in the world. In the breathtaking display of human capability, she consequenced the world's highest mountain at 24 hours and 26 minutes on Thursday. Khimlal Gautam, the Everest Base Camp coordinator deputed by the government, said that Lama started her ascent from the base camp, situated at the altitude of 5,364 meters at the 3:50 p.m. on May 22. She reached the summit wearing the 8,848.86 meter at the 6:23 a.m. on Thursday, May 23. She returned to the base camp at 4:18 p.m. at the same day, completing the climb in 24 hours and 26 minutes. According to the mountaineering rules, climbers should begin and end their journey in the base camp to claim any title. Lama on May 17, 2018 had climbed Everest in 39 hours and 6 minutes, but after 3 years in 2021, Hong Kong's T. Sang Yung Hung scaled the peak in 25 hours and 50 minutes, snatching Lama's converted title. In the male category, Nepali climber Lakpa Gyalbu Sherpa hold the record for fastest ascent of Everest, reaching the summit and the base camp in 18 hours 20 minutes in 2003. Gyalbu started the climb 5 p.m. on the May 25, 2003 and reached the summit at 3:56 a.m. on Monday 26. He returned to the base camp at 11:20 a.m. on the 26th. According to the Department of Tourism, more than 500 individuals have climbed Everest, which means 60% of the climb this season have been completed by Thursday. The Department of Tourism has issued 421 permits of the fee-paying climber for this spring climbing season, which began on May 10 and lasts until May 29. With each climber requiring at least one climbing guide, there were estimated 900 individuals aspiring to scale Everest this season. Despite bad conditions and a small window of the weather, several mountaineers have scripted history. Kami Rita Sherpa climbed Everest twice to take his tally to 30 climbs. Tawa Hinjok Sherpa became the fastest man to climb Everest 3 times in just 8 days. Likewise, Royal Bhutan Army Lieutenant Jigme Pelden Dorje became the first Bhutanese to summit the world's highest mountain. Costa Rican Ligia Maria Madrigal Moya reached the summit of the Everest on Thursday morning, becoming the first woman from her country to achieve the feat. Lucia Jenikova became the first Slovakian female to summit Everest. Rising casualties. While celebrating success, casualties have also been rising on the mountain. According to the Gautam Base Camp coordinator, so far 5 people have died and 3 are missing. A renowned Kenyan climber Cheruiyot Kiriwi died a few meters below the Everest summit on Thursday. His Sherpa guide Noang Sherpa has gone missing. British climber Daniel Paul Pasterson and his Sherpa guide Pastenji have gone missing in death zone. The duo were returning after reaching the summit on May 21st. Officials say hope of finding survivors are slim. We regret to inform you that a cornice collapse occurred yesterday at the Hillary Step. 2 of our brave team members, Daniel Paul Patterson of UK and Pastenji Sherpa, are missing. Eyewitness reported the incident took place between the summit ridge and South Summit, and some climbers were swept away in Kangsung Phase. Lakpa Sherpa, managing director of the 8K Expeditions, the agency managing Patterson climb, wrote on his Facebook page. Our dedicated search and rescue team are deployed on the ground. They are working tirelessly to relocate our missing climber. Our thought and prayer are with their families during this challenging time. The bodies of 2 Mongolian climbers were found on May 17, 4 days after they went missing. Binod Babu Bastokoti from the Leknath in Kaski district died on Wednesday near the South Pole while descending from the summit. Romanian climber Geribel Bhairel Tabra was found dead in Camp III 7,470 meter in his tent on May 20. 8,800 mountaineers have summited Everest from the Nepal side since Tenzing Norgay Sherpa and New Zealander Edmund Hillary first set to foot atop the world highest peak in 1953.